good, guys? It's your boy K Forest here. Hope you guys are doing super good and you're doing very well by the grace of God. So this morning I just want to share a quick one with you guys, and it's all about belief, guys. It's all about belief, because this thing of not believing in yourself is something that is getting out of hand. A lot of people actually have dreams, they have goals, they have ambitions they want to achieve, but the thing is they don't believe in themselves. But I'm here to let you know that it is very, very important as part of your decision. You want to your decision as to you wanting to be successful or whatever in life comes with you believing in yourself. It is very, very important, because there is discipline, there is effort, there is sacrifices you have to make, but most importantly, you got to believe in yourself. And why I'm saying this is God first believed in us. So after creation, He willed all authority to us to even continue. Jesus Christ came, died for us, and before He ascended into heaven, He gave us the authority back in Matthew chapter 28, 18 to 20. He gave us that authority back, meaning that He believes in us so much that He can will all authority in heaven and on earth to us. You get it? So guys, I want you to believe in yourself. Whatever dream you have for yourself you want to achieve, I want you to believe in yourself. Forget about what people are saying. Forget about the noise all around and just believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Once you believe in yourself, put in the effort, put in the discipline, and work hard at it. And believe me, you are going to get there. You are going to get there. Eventually, you are going to get there. So guys, believe in yourself. If nobody is believing in you, just believe in yourself. If they are doubting in you, believe in yourself. There are times that family will not believe in you when it comes to that. So you just have to believe in yourself. And get it done. Because you know what? Nobody is coming to save you, my brother. Nobody is coming to save you, my sister. You need to save yourself. And to do that, you got to believe in yourself. It's your boy K Forest, and you know how we do it. I'm out.